My name is Sandra Essex and welcome to my channel. If you have not visited my channel before, I'd like to let you know that my channel is all about empowering people to be able to live their dreams. We do reviews on companies, products, tools, money making, and self-improvement tips that we feel can help you on your way to fully being able to live your dreams. You and I, we all have dreams that we want to accomplish. So I hope that this little bit of information that we share with you daily helps you on your quest to be able to live your dreams. Sometimes living your dream is just getting an extra paycheck into your home. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be talking about finding home jobs for stay-at-home moms in 2020. Now, if you found this website, evidently you must be a stay-at-home mom or a mom who's interested in getting back in the work field, but being able to work at home with your kids. We have put together a great video today that can give you some serious information about how you can make those dreams possible, being able to stay at home and work and be able to take care of your children at the same time. Because you know, in a world today, it's uncertainty is no money coming in. Jobs are being lost. So in a world of uncertainty, we teach you how to build your own security with the information that we share with you on our weekly videos. So today we're going to share with you jobs for the stay-at-home mom. Okay. Today I'm sharing several work from home job resource website perfect for the stay-at-home moms. Whether you're looking to replace your income so you can stay at home with your children, or can create an additional side hustle income to aid in your family's financial well-being, these jobs are perfect for you. So the two websites that we're going to be sharing with you today, if you have not heard of them, I strongly suggest that after you look at the video, please feel free to go down to our description site part of the video, and we will have these websites listed in our description site. The first website that we're going to talk about is hiremymom.com, and the second website that we're going to talk about is workforhire.com. So if you are a stay-at-home mom and you're looking for a way to be able to earn an income, please stay tuned to the end of this video because we are providing you some very valuable information. Now, to tell you a little bit about the Hire My Mom company, Hire My Mom is a unique work-from-home job service site founded in 2007 that helps women professionals find flexible, legitimate home-based work, while at the same time helping small businesses hire talented virtual team members and freelancers. Flexibility is the #1 benefit for any woman, whether you're a professional or a stay-at-home mom that today is looking for a business that they can work from home. On the other hand, we are looking for affordable, quality talent to help businesses grow and flourish. Hire My Mom simply brings both of these worlds together to find the perfect solution. Now about the Work for Hire website. Work for Hire was founded in 1999 as the first and only company devoted to a comprehensive array of recruitment services for women. Their website, workforhire.com, offers a variety of career-related information and videos geared to the working women, and an online job board that helps leading employees connect with top-notch professional women in all fields. So these two sites, I think if you are a woman and you're looking to work from home or re-enter the job force, these two sites are a must for you to look at. Now, with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, what we're going to do is take a look at each of these websites. And again, I'm going to leave their links in the description area below this video when it is finished. But at this time, before we go over and look at the sites, again, I'd like to ask you to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you would know when I release my videos every day. And I'm looking to get 1,000 subscribers, so I hope my information is of value to you, that you would come back, share, and also again, please hit that subscribe button. So right now, let's go look at the two websites that we're going to discuss today that has jobs for the stay-at-home mom. Hi everybody, this is Sandra back again, and right now we're on the first website that we're going to share with you. If you are a stay-at-home mom looking for employment, the site that we're going to be talking about and showing to you is Women for Hire. And again, I will leave all these website links in the description. Now on the this website, Women for Hire, you see that it was founded in 1999 and it's 2020 now. So this company is a well-established company. It is not a scam, and you will be able to find jobs in your field and profession at this website. This Women for Hire is WBENC certified. That's the Women's Business Enterprise National Council certification for women-owned businesses. Is one of the most widely recognized and respected certificates in the nation. So that the jobs that you'll be finding here are legitimate jobs. And you can look at this website. I mean, they have so many accolades about this website. So you can come visit the website and learn more about Tori Johnson, who started this website to help employ women. And then you can learn about the different events they have. I mean, it is such an educational site. They have a company named Arise that you can get telecommunication, be a virtual assistant. They have webinars and training. We're going to come back to this job board because I want to go in depth with their job board. They have all kinds of resources. They teach you how to write resumes. You have coaches and expert videos to keep you abreast on how to apply for these jobs. You have advice here where you can, if you have to go on a physical interview, how to dress, the do's and don'ts of an interview. It teaches you how to work at home and be efficient working at home because you have to be self-motivated. And this link right here is just for the employers that contact Women for Hire to post their jobs. Now right here is their job board. So if we had clicked the link for the job board, they have a post job section. I had already clicked the link. So once you click that, you can come over here to the job board. And let's say that you are a LPN and that you're looking for work. Okay, you fill this out. I'm just going to do it all over the United States because I really don't know who's watching this video. Then you would click this right here, the job search. And then as you see, jobs in that field, the licensed practical nurse field, but you will put any profession that you in, they'll pop up, and as you see, they have jobs all over the United States. You would click this link right here. It'll tell you how much the job pays, give you all the contact information. So you see right here, they have at least 500 jobs available throughout the United States in the field as a LPN. So what do? You'll come to the job board, put in what your profession is, and then search. So this is a excellent research. So if you're interested, also real quick thing, you can filter it by your city. After you did the whole database in the field that you picked, you can come here and pick it by your city, and it'll just show those that's in your city. Okay, the next company that we're going to talk about is Hire My Mom. Now this right here is the Hire My Mom corporate website, and here you'll learn about Hire My Mom. Hire My Mom has been here since 2007, so these are well-established companies. They are not a scam, and you can find jobs in your profession. Hire for Mom was mentioned in Fox Business, Entrepreneur Magazine, Women's Day, Parenting, the Seattle Times, First for Women, and the Red Book. So it has been in a lot of established publications. Okay, I strongly suggest that you come here and navigate through their site. They have information about job postings, and tells you a little bit about moms, why Hire My Mom, work for Hire My Mom, and you can see about featured candidates here that work for the company and do services for the company. You'll find testimonials here of why they enjoy working for Hire My Mom. So again, this is a site that I would strongly recommend for you to come and look at if you're interested in being a stay-at-home working, stay-at-mom working from home. Now also, it's a link here, and it says, do you want to work from home? Okay, so this right here, you can find different, it gives you a questionnaire that they feel that you should answer to see if you are a good candidate to work from home. So you would hit that right here. It tells you about why you should come and look at Hire My Mom, because it is hard out there trying to find jobs out here, but this is a consolidated web base with jobs that you can get hired from today. So this is another link that I had left on the site for you to look at Hire My Mom. Also, they have a pulling up now is their job posting board. They have a job posting board also, and this right here, they have more than just these jobs, but this right here, you could come click this link, this site right here. If you're a county manager looking for a job, they have a position open as of the 23rd of January of 2020. Operations specialist. I mean, they have so many jobs that's on this site. You have a virtual assistant job. And what you can do here, when you come here, you can click this link right here. When you narrow down what job you're looking for, it'll give you the different information on the job, an overview, how much you're going to get paid. You're going to get paid $15 an hour for this job. It tells you how to apply. So it's all kinds of information here, and this is a legitimate site, HireMyMom.com, and as you see, they have been in existence since 2007. Now, one thing about Hire My Mom, as opposed to the previous website that we looked at, Work for Hire is a totally free site. Now, HireMyMom.com has a small fee that they charge. Now, the money that you get paid, you make that totally to yourself. You don't have to give anything back to HireMyMom.com site for referring you to the job. But this is like a membership site. And they have 3 different packages that if you're interested in posting your resume and applying for the jobs that they have on their sites. The first package is a silver trial mom professional package. It's $9.99 for 1 week. You can post 1 resume for 7 days. You can have access to the site for 1 full week. You can apply for current jobs, as many as you want, for 1 week, and you have email support from Monday through Friday, and that'll cost you $9.99. Now, the next package they have is the Gold Mom Professional. It's $29.99, and it's a 3-month membership. And for that, you can post three resumes for 90 days. You can upload your 3 resumes and a cover letter. You can apply for any and as many jobs as you want, okay? And you have email and text support service. Now, the third and final site that they have is the Platinum Mom Professional site. And with that, they have, it's $99 for every 6 months. You can post unlimited resumes. You have a 6-month membership. You're a featured candidate on the home page. You have unlimited resumes, cover letters, apply for unlimited jobs. You can cancel anytime. You have email, text, and phone support, and customer service support Monday through Friday. So these are the 3 fees that it costs for Hire My Mom to use their site to be able to find employment in the field that you're interested in looking at. So I strongly suggest that if you are a mom and you're looking for work at home, these 2 websites are an excellent resource for you to take a look at. Well, this right here completes the end of my overview for the job sites that's available for stay-at-home moms. I really hope that you found some value with this information. If you did get some value with this review that I gave, please give me a thumbs up and a like. Comment on this presentation video, and please subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon. I'm really working hard to build my channel up. I hope that I'm providing you some valuable information. So come back and visit again, and please subscribe. If you have any questions about the information that we covered, please leave a comment in the comment section and I will get back with you. And if you would like to know my #1 recommendation for making money online, please take a look at the link below this video and I will leave that information for you. With that being said, this is Sandra Essex signing out. Again, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell icon so that you will be notified when I release my daily videos. And I'm looking forward to seeing you on my next review. Take care and have an awesome day.